Ugh, I just don't understand why Beatrice is so obsessed with boys now. What's the big deal about romance anyway? There's probably a low chance I'll catch interest in anyone anyway. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! BFDI is finally back! And it's called BFB. So season 4 is called BFB.
Hey, Eraser! Eraser! Eraser!
What?
Look what I just found. It's a rectangle.
Huh, the art style looks different. They look cuter
I
now.
would know.
What about this?
Oh my god, Ben, that's a pentagon.
Yeah, like if you took my name and added Tagon.
You don't understand, Ben.
Flower's pretty beautiful.
Hey, Match, I figured out how the Alliancers can deal with our enemies more effectively.
Really? How do we do that?
Lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning.